Hello dear Goenkans, this is Dr. Nafisa, School Counselor at GD Goenka Public School, Srinagar. Hope all of you are doing great and preparing well for your exams. Did I say exam? Yes. But does that sound of exam create a feeling of worry and being under pressure? Yes, dear ones, exams are stressful and it's normal to feel under pressure. You can't eat well, sleep well, and even get annoyed with your mom and dad. Now tell me, if you have a mountain to climb, does it get any shorter by waiting? No, never. So, dear students, shake off your excuses and let's go through this wonderful journey of how to smile at your exams. Yes, let's start from the basics. The first will be your preparation. Bed is meant for sleeping and table for studying. So kindly leave the bed and get onto your tables. But don't forget to unclutter the table first. That is, study without your distractions, and you know them very well. Yes, your cell phones, your laptops, and your gaming gadgets, and whatnot. Okay, get organized. Yes, picture your time as a time bound project. I know just a few days left for your exams, but no worries, you can still do it. How? Here's how. Say, first work out the basics like checking your date sheet, having a detailed look at the syllabus, and then chart out how much time you have to learn for each one. Break your revision down into small chunks and form a plan. Yes, once you have got a plan, you won't have any confusion or dilemmas at the start of the day. You can use strategies like highlighting the important points, using flowcharts, and mnemonics to learn better. Yes, dear ones, but know your golden hours. Say, not everyone is a morning person or early birds, but some are night owls and some study in the daytime. So think about when you can study and concentrate better. Okay, it's about what works for you. But get into some good habits. These habits will help you concentrate and reduce stress. Number one, keep active. Exercise. Exercising is one of the quickest and most easy way to de-stress. So exercise daily. Number two, eat well. Avoid junk food and stimulants like coffee and coke. Yeah, it is easy to avoid. Instead, take a healthy and balanced diet like cereals, fruits and vegetables, and a protein-rich diet to keep up with your sugar level and make sure that you don't feel sleepy while studying. Okay, keep yourself hydrated by drinking loads of water. Okay, dear students, keep a flexible schedule for studies. Take frequent breaks in between. Say, when you take a break, make sure you don't stay at your table. You could just move around and take a walk. That time will be the time for your recall. Okay, but if you get too tensed and find activities that help you relax, like listening to music, taking a shower, meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises. Most importantly, don't be put off by friends saying that they are doing huge amounts of revision. It always creates a lot of stress when you start comparing yourself with others. Yeah, so better stay away from such conversations and take off the load by practicing mindfulness. Now, what is mindfulness? Mindfulness is bringing your awareness to the present moment. Yes, now comes the most important date as the day of your exam. So be confident. Don't leave anything for the last moment. When you get the question paper, read the first question. If you know it, fine. If not, go ahead into the next question. You can come to the previous later on. But divide your time based on the number of questions. Give equal time to all the questions. Remember, it's not a race. Kindly revise your paper before submitting. After completion, give yourself ample time to relax before you prepare again. So, dear Goenkans, think positive. I know you can do it. All the best.